Reverse Indian Challenge app tutorial. So what you need to know how to use this app. So here's the app made by Nobutaka Yuasa. So this is in the top charts. This is the easiest app for this challenge. So how you do it. So here you can see on TikTok a lot of people doing that. So basically you need to have like two people, and then what you do, you download this app in the first person. Basically you start recording this your first phrase in normal order, or just part of the song, whatever. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. So you're just recording that, and then the second person listens to that phrase in reverse. Here's now, here's now, here's now. So as you can see, you listen to that in reverse, and then again the second person, then you try to reproduce what you're hearing in reverse, and then again you press start recording. So again, here's now, here's now, here's now. 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 Here's now, here's now. I don't know. And then what you do, you play again, you play reverse. One, two, three. One, two, three. As you can see, so yes, it's quite fun. So again, the second person listens to this in reverse, records in reverse, and then again taps play in reverse. You don't tap play recorded, because you obviously will have this a reversed version, but you just tap play in reverse, and then that's just what you have. So yeah, that's kind of how you do this challenge. Super easy, and it's a free app. And then you have loop playback. You can have playback rate, pitch shift. You can save it. You can share reverse, share record it, and then you can just write a review. If you want to remove ads, you just remove ads, and that's basically what you have. So that's the app. Super easy to use it. There are now a lot of clone apps, but this is the first one, and this is the easiest one, and original app in the TikTok challenge. So there you have it. You can watch more YouTubers, TikTokers doing. So yeah, that's what do you think? Have you tried this challenge? Try it out. It's getting hundreds, thousands of likes if you do it correctly with some viral song. And yeah, so